everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be my budget friendly curly hair routine. I feel like it's been ages since I posted the last one. और वो वीडियो को अच्छा खासा रीच आ गया था, थोड़ा वायरल भी हो गया था, and a lot of you guys joined my channel as well because of that video. So thank you so much for your support. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. My name is Shruti and I make curly hair related content. I also do makeup, fashion, beauty, lifestyle kind of vlogs. So yeah, some travel vlogs as well. If you are interested in that kind of a content, please do subscribe to my channel. As I said, बहुत ज़्यादा time हो गया last वाला video करके, and there are so many new products out there in the market. I was a little confused कि कौन सा product purchase करना चाहिए. So I took you guys का help. I did put a poll on my Instagram asking you guys कि कौन सा product मुझे choose करना चाहिए. I shortlisted like 4 products each category: shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and gel. And you guys chose which one I should get. That's what I got, and that's what this video is about. So without further ado, let's get started. My beauties, let's get started. Let's do my curly hair routine on a budget. This is how my hair is looking currently. Not bad actually. I did wash my hair like 3 days ago, तो इतना भी गंदा नहीं हुआ है. And I would have easily stretched it for a week, but video करना है इसके लिए I'm gonna wash it today. And of course we're gonna start with shampoo. In case if you're not aware, I did put a poll on my Instagram story asking you guys for opinion. Now बहुत साल पहले मैंने budget friendly video डाला था और उसके बाद बहुत सारे options आ गए market में. I was really confused on which one to purchase, so I actually gave for each and every category like shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, everything. I gave 4 options and you guys chose the one that I should get and create a budget friendly routine. आप लोगों ने for shampoo have selected Earth Rhythm shampoo bar. It was a really close call between Earth Rhythm shampoo bar and Biotic Ocean Kelp. I'll put the screenshot on the screen over here. But yeah, that's what you guys chose. So shampoo, I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna quickly hop in the shower, wet my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, my hair is nice and wet. Let's get started with shampoo. You guys chose Earth Rhythm shampoo bar, so that's what I'll be using. I really like the packaging of this product. The shampoo bar comes in this aluminum tin packaging, which is great for traveling. It contains murumuru butter, which helps soothes curly hair and wavy hair. It is also sulfate and paraben free. So yes, this is CG friendly. Also, इसका full list of ingredients and how to use packaging के पीछे दिया हुआ है. And this is how the actual shampoo bar looks like. Also, it has a pH of 5 to 6, which is very close to your scalp pH. To use it, obviously you need to wet the shampoo bar and rub it in between your palms thoroughly to get that lather, exactly how you would use a soap, and massage it into your scalp. This is definitely a very gentle cleanser, does not strip away your natural oils, and your scalp will still feel very moisturized after you rinse it off. Having said that, this will not get rid of your buildup. So if you have buildup, I would suggest using something stronger than this. And this can definitely be a in-between wash session shampoo, or this is great for traveling purposes as well. Once you spread the product everywhere, next I'm going to use a scalp massager shampoo brush by this brand called Ross. This is one of the best sellers on Amazon, and oh my god, I absolutely love this product. It has the soft silicone bristle teeth all over, which just gets into your scalp and gives a very deep clean. I love the shape of it. It's very ergonomic and it's very convenient to use as well. And especially if you have issues like flaky skin and dandruff, I feel just using a scalp massager just exfoliates the scalp really well and gets rid of all the debris and buildup. And it also increases the blood flow to the scalp, which is great. I thoroughly enjoy this step. It just gives a nice massage to your scalp. And one advice I would give is do not use this in a circular motion. It will create a lot of knots. Just go ahead back and forth as you see me doing it in the video. इससे कम knots create होंगे और आपको detangling में easy होगा. Once that's done, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and wash off the shampoo. My scalp feels fresh and clean, does not feel dry at all, which is great. Also, shampoos in general थोड़े drying होते हैं, but ये वाला shampoo बिल्कुल भी drying नहीं था. Let's move on to the next step, which is conditioner. Okay, for conditioner, you guys chose Requil Murumuru Damage Repair Conditioner. ये मैंने बिल्कुल भी use नहीं किया है, so this is definitely the first time for me as well. And it won by 44%. अच्छे margin से जीता है यार. So let's use it. This is how the product looks like. I really like the packaging, very simple. Again, the full list of ingredients as well as how to use and caution Plus tips for good hair care, everything is mentioned at the back. You get 150 ml of the product, which is really good for the price that you're paying. The consistency is nice and thick and it's really creamy as well. It does have a slight hint of coconut fragrance in it. If you're not a big fan of strong scent, just keep this in mind. It does not have very strong scent. You won't even feel it. Make sure to spread it all across the length of your hair. Do not apply this on the roots. And massage it gently into the lengths and ends of your hair. Conditioner and water goes hand in hand. अगर आपने कंडीशनर लगाया है उस पर थोड़ा सा पानी ज़रूर लगाना. स्लिप बहुत ही अच्छा हो जाता है और बहुत ही अच्छे से आप डिटैंगल कर पाओगे आपके बालों को. Okay, for detangling as well as styling my hair, I'm going to use this green comb. It's called a wet detangling brush. You'll easily get this on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description down below. बहुत ही सही brush है because you can not only detangle your hair, you can also style using it. जो Denman brush होता है वो आप usually सिर्फ style करने के लिए use कर सकते हो. Detangling इतना अच्छे से नहीं होता है. But this can do both the stuff and also इतना भी expensive नहीं है इसका price. I was really amazed by the kind of slip this conditioner gave me. मैं बिल्कुल भी expect नहीं कर रही थी. बहुत ही सही slip दे रहा था और detangling इतना मक्खन की तरह हो रहा था. You can clearly see the expression on my face. But always start detangling from the bottom and work your way towards the top. Once my hair is nicely detangled, I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. I've washed off the conditioner. My hair is feeling super soft. Let's move on to the next step, which is styling. Okay, for leave-in conditioner, you guys chose Arata leave-in hair conditioner. बहुत ही ज़्यादा close call था between this and L'Oreal Dream Lens. सिर्फ 2% का difference था. Again, Arata is a really great budget-friendly brand with CG-friendly products. The direction of how to use it, full list of ingredients and everything is mentioned at the back. It does not have any paraben, SLES, SLS and a bunch of other stuff. It is also cruelty-free and vegan. So let's use it. Again, a very nice, thick, creamy consistency. Does not have a very strong scent. I'm just gonna spread it in between my palms and rake it in my hair. Make sure you coat all the lengths of your hair. Do not apply it on your scalp. Now, I have applied it all over, but I still feel इतना करने से वो अच्छी तरह से सबीदर नहीं लगता है. So next step is gonna improve that. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair as you see in the video. I'm gonna use a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner and rake it nicely in the bottom section. Then I'm gonna take a 2-inch thick section. आपको ज़्यादा बड़ा section लेना है वो भी चल जाएगा, does not matter. And using the same wet detangling comb, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. Just brush your hair at an angle, shake and scrunch. This method definitely helps a lot in defining your curls. ज़्यादा frizzy नहीं होते हैं और आपके clumps भी अच्छी तरह से बन जाते हैं. I'm gonna repeat the same step all over my head now. ये step मैं पहले ऐसे follow नहीं करती थी. मैं सारे बाल एक साथ brush करके scrunch करती थी. उससे क्या होता था, जो middle section रहता था वो dry और frizzy रहता था. टॉप और नीचे वाले सेक्शन डिफाइन हो जाते थे बट बीच का सेक्शन फिर भी फ्रिजी रहता था विच आई डिडंट लाइक. एंड नाउ बाय सेक्शनिंग इट एंड अप्लाइंग द लीव इन कंडीशनर विद ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन, हर एक बाल, हर एक स्ट्रैंड मेरा अच्छे से लीव इन कंडीशनर से कोट होता है और अच्छे से डिफाइंड रहता है थ्रू आउट द डे. जो ऊपर का सेक्शन है आई लाइक टू कोम इट अप एंड अवे फ्रॉम माई फेस. मैं स्टाइल करते वक्त कोई भी पार्ट डिफाइन नहीं करती हूँ. आई लाइक the hair to be away from my face as you can see in the video. इससे क्या होता है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम मिलता है. एक बार मेरे बाल पूरा सूख जाए, अगर मैं पार्ट डिफाइन करूँगी वो बाल अच्छे से लिफ्टेड रहता है थ्रू आउट द डे. Again, once all your hair is nicely styled, make sure आप अच्छे से उसको scrunch करो, especially if you have wavy hair. Now let's move on to the next step, which is gel. Okay, for leave-in gel, you guys chose Fix My Curls Curl Quenching Flaxseed Jelly. I was really hoping you guys will choose like Set Wet or something else because वो मैंने try नहीं किया है. But I think आप लोगों को भी Fix My Curls बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है because अच्छे खासे margin से जीता है वो भी. Now this one has aloe vera, chia seed and olive oil in it. I feel Fix My Curls has done a really good job at marketing at all the different budgets you have. The high end that is 200 grams का 100 grams का जो है वो अच्छे खासे budget friendly range में बैठता है. Again, it's CG friendly, paraben free, silicone free and sulfate free. Plus it's vegan. Also, how to use pro tip as well as full ingredient list is mentioned at the back. Now the consistency is definitely creamy and runny as you can see in the video. Consistency बहुत ही thick milk वाली feeling देता है and with a very light hand nicely coat the hair. I'm not ruining all the work that I did with the leave-in cream. As you can see, I just need to set the hair where it is. So very light hand se I'm just coating all the hair strands and then scrunch it up obviously. I like to spend a good minute scrunching and making sure कि सारा gel अच्छे से सब इधर coat हो गया है, because this will make sure that your curls hold up for throughout the day. And at the end, this is how your hair should look like. Very well moisturized, no frizz at all. As you can see, I do not like my hair to be super clumpy. किसी को वैसे स्टाइल करना पसंद है, मुझे वैसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद. I feel after drying it takes a lot of time to declump it, so मुझे ऐसे ही बाल स्टाइल करना पसंद है. Now I'm gonna let this dry for an hour or so. उसके बाद मैं अपना blow dryer use करूँगी using a diffuser on low heat and low air setting, and I'll be back once my hair is dry. Please do not touch your hair in between. Bye. Hi, I'm back. So I definitely took a little bit more time doing my makeup, but I'm living for it. I love it. Looking so good. इसमें मेरे बाल थोड़ा ज़्यादा dry गए. I think around 70% तो मैंने air dry किया है. उसके बाद 30% I did a little bit of blow dry, especially near the roots, because वही सिर्फ थोड़ा wet बचा था. बाकी सब तो मेरा air dry हुआ है मेरे बाल. And this is how it's looking. It's a little bit stiff, especially on like these areas. It's a little bit stiff because of the gel. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove the gel cast. And for that, I'm gonna use Fix My Curls Scalp and Strand Elixir Hair Oil. Now this product is specially made to scrunch the crunch out, and this will repair and heat protect your hair. So you can definitely put it before blow drying your hair as well. I'm just gonna take few pumps of this. Now you can use this. If you don't want to use this, you can totally skip it. Just use silk mittens or your hands even. Anything works. It's very lightweight, so you won't even feel like you're applying any oil on your hair. I just like to do this. If you struggle with your hair to like stay curly, definitely don't do this. But if you have hair like me and it naturally curls really well, so you can definitely do that. Almost done. Now my hair feels soft, it's not crunchy at all. I'm gonna put my hair all upside down, as you see. Put my hands and just give it a good shake near the roots. This will help with the volume. Just give it a good shake. Now I'm only shaking near the roots. I'm not like running my hands throughout the hair. You don't want frizz. Do you see how much volume that gave me? This is my number one tip. Just give it a good shake, man. That definitely adds so much more volume. And these are the results. What do you guys think? I think they're looking really good. Look at the definition. Look at these hair. Look at the front hair. Look at the definition. And I feel like I definitely have the length as well. It's not super scrunched up, which is definitely up my alley. I don't like my hair to be like super scrunched up like this. I love to have the length. And there's no frizz, absolutely no frizz. Super defined, soft, touchable. Wow. Okay, now that we have seen the results, I'm gonna quickly talk about all the products that I've used and give a mini review about it. First, let's start with the Earth Rhythm Shampoo Bar. Now, I really like the concept of a shampoo bar. Very eco-friendly, very good for the environment. But I genuinely like the liquid form of shampoo. This feels a little tough. I feel there's a lot of effort that goes into it, but definitely like it. It's very moisturizing. It does not strip your natural oils. It definitely keeps your scalp and hair moisturized throughout. It is CG friendly, so can definitely try it out. But I am personally a liquid shampoo kind of girl. Moving on to the conditioner. Now the Recool Muru Muru Damage Repair Conditioner definitely surprised me. This is so freaking good, especially considering the price point and the amount of product that you get, which is really good by the way. It is moisturizing and does give the right amount of slip that you need to detangle your hair while in the shower. That's exactly what I look for in a conditioner, and this definitely satisfies that. So this is a 10 out of 10 actually, a big thumbs up. Moving on to the leave-in conditioner now. Now the Arata leave-in hair conditioner, I would say, is average. There are even better ones out there in the market in the same price range. I would say इतना ज़्यादा moisturizing feel नहीं देता है, which is a little bit I feel like you definitely have to layer up, but it still doesn't give that much moisturizing effect. I definitely like the result that I got, but I feel like it's because I paired it up with the Fix My Curls gel. That definitely added up. This I would say is an average so-so product. Okay, talking about the leave-in gel that I used, Fix My Curls Curl Quenching Flaxseed Jelly is definitely one of my favorites, and I'm not surprised that it's your guys' favorite as well, because this got the most votes. It's one of the best out there, and Fix My Curls बहुत सारे price range में आता है. The 100-gram one is like 200 or something. I definitely feel you can check this out. It's a big thumbs up from my end. Now this one also comes with a leave-in conditioner, and I feel those two paired together gives absolutely amazing result. And I use this with Arata. इसके लिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे result इतना अच्छा है, because if I would have used just the Arata leave-in conditioner, I don't think मुझे इतना अच्छा result मिलता. So this one is a big thumbs up. Okay, lastly I used the Fix My Curls Scalp and Strand Elixir Hair Oil. Now this is definitely not in the budget range, and I definitely didn't want to include it. But मैंने सोचा कि use कर ही रही तो दिखा देती हूँ. This is something that if you want to buy, you can buy. You can definitely do without it. Just crunch it with your hands or use silk mittens. कोई भी चल जाएगा. Or just use a silk t-shirt if you have it. This one definitely gives me a little bit of shine, helps me with the removing the scrunch out of my hair. You can definitely use it as a hair cast. But yeah, it's a good product, but you can do without it, I feel. Okay, lastly, these two definitely must have. Now you can do with a white tooth comb as well. This is not a must have, but I definitely feel it's good to have. It's really great for detangling and styling as well. तो मतलब price को worth ये करता है, और ये आपको बार-बार खरीदने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just have to buy it once and it's gonna be there for a lifetime, I feel. This one on the other hand, oh my god, I cannot stress enough on how good this is. Just cleanses my scalp so freaking good. हाथ आपका scalp तक इतना अच्छे से मसाज नहीं कर पाता. This one, the pointy end just reaches there and it's not at all, it does not hurt. This is silicone, तो बहुत ही soft rubber material है, बहुत ही अच्छे से scalp clean करता है. So this one is a must have from my end. For your budget friendly curly hair routine. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think about the products, and if you like these kind of videos, you want me to do more of those, comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and comment down below. कुछ भी comment करो यार, I would love to communicate with you. With that said, the comment shout out goes to Mona B. Mona, thank you so much for standing up for me. It really means a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.